I was given a task to deliver a message from the participants. On behalf of the participants, we thank you and congratulate the Philippine Football Federation, President Mr. Jose Mario Martinez, to Mr. Chito Manuel, Acting Secretary General, Mr. Montano Mondeja, Chairman of the Department, for helping us and giving us the best facilities in this FIFA MA reference course. We also thank you to our FIFA instructors, Mr. Azimi Abdullah, FIFA Mr. Muhammad Budsali Abu, FIFA Secretary and Mr. Ahmad Khalidi Sufyan, FIFA Fitness Instructor. To our local instructors, Mr. Fernando Flores, Mr. Dennis Daniel, and Mr. Mario Gloria Alvilio, and our local fitness instructor, Mr. Jaime Nicolau. We feel satisfied that we have attained the first goal in this course, to finish this course. To our instructors, we salute you, for we know it is through your foresight, the modern technology of teaching method to use your untiring effort to professionalize us, referees, and to present the Philippines in the whole world. The teaching materials and the methods that we've used was very effective. We clearly understand and learn so much on how to apply the laws of the game. We also improved and developed our refereeing skills through integrated practical training. I remember, or how can we forget, Mr. Rutsali, who kept asking Sergeant Dulatre on the course. Why? Because he wants us all to learn and understand the laws of the game. How can we forget Khalidi is always angry to us in the field? Because he wants us to pass the fitness test the next time if there is. I remember when Lehman collapsed during the fitness because some of us prepared, some of us, the preparation is not enough. Our preparation is not enough. Now we came to an end. To my fellow participants, let's consider this as a challenge. To ourselves, as a challenge to ourselves, let's do everything to pass the fitness test next time. To our instructors, thank you very much. And finally, on behalf of the participants, we would like to thank again for your contribution, dedication, and commitment to develop us referees for the game, for the world. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr.